Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix text messages are not sending in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, facing the issue that your text messages are not sending, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have no balance in your account. Like if you're using text messages, so you just need some balance to send a message. But if you have or you're still unable to send messages, you just have to click a long press on your messages app, click on the send button here, scroll down to and go to storage, click on clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, yeah, you can also try to clear data, but if you clear data, you have to re-log in using your Google account in your Google messages here. And now, once you have done that, before you retry to send message, I recommend you have to go to Play Store. Go for search for message here. You must see Google Messages. Make sure that it's updated. You might have an pending update button here. Then go back and try to make a restart. Now once you have restarted, it will fix all kind of issues you might have on your phone. So once you have done, now after restarting your device, you can easily try to send message to anyone, and this time you will not get that issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.